It's lunchtime and I'm starving. Let's eat. Gonna cook this in the microwave. Ew, Hannah, what is that?
Ew, that's gross.
Will you help me clean it out, please?
Yeah.
Get these crumbs out of here. Help me sweep it.
Oh, Mom's gonna kill you.
Do you think glue will fix that?
No.
Let's go tell Mom.
Oh, this one's all you, buddy.
You don't ever have to look too far. You don't have to cover up your scars. You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find love, 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 love.
Aaron said he found something that is so cool and that I need to come into the office and see. So let's take a look at what he's doing. All right, what are you looking at here?
Hey babe, check out this Toshiba Alexa enabled microwave. You can actually command it with your voice.
What is that?
Like you can tell it add 30 seconds.
You can't, no, that's not real.
Seriously?
Really?
Can we get a new microwave?
What's wrong with our old one?
Stop working.
What does that mean? That usually means a kid broke it.
I actually broke it. I was cleaning it out. It was disgusting. I was trying to clean my lunch, cook my lunch, and
This is why we don't let Aaron clean. My new microwave just came in. I'm so excited for it. And Alexa's gonna be excited to have a new friend too. Alexa, are you excited for a new friend?
I'm excited for my new friend.
Tonight on Crazy Pieces Bake Off, here is your host, Hannah Pettit.
It's Hannah the banana.
Hannah the banana from Atlanta.
Yeah, so tonight we're going to be, you guys are going to be seeing two competitors bake off and make a mug, I don't know, wait, make
A mug dish.
A mug dish. Dessert. It's a dessert, so.
using only the microwave.
Yeah.
And as you guys all know, on our last Bake Off, I won, obviously. And just letting you all know, I will beat my dad tonight again.
She won last time because she wasn't facing me. Just saying.
Okay, but lose the high ego, buddy, because I'm gonna win.
No, you're absolutely right because I don't bake at all. Like it is out of my box. Cooking, grilling, I got all that, but baking, no way. So good luck to you
And
because
in
you're
the
probably
microwave,
gonna
you
win.
only have the microwave to use, so you may not use anything else besides the microwave. No oven, no stove, microwave.
Microwave.
Got it.
only.
Let's see what Dad is making.
I'm making a chocolate mug cake.
Ooh, that was
Picture of
gonna be
it.
so good.
So
And I'm making a 5-minute microwave cheesecake. That's what it's gonna look like. I'm excited to judge these.
So let's get baking,
let's get
bakers.
baking.
So Dad is supporting the pink apron, and I put the flour in his face for good sport. Dad just put in heavy whipping cream, but not as heavy as you think.
So when you're baking, how much is a pinch of salt? I have bigger fingers than anybody else.
You want me to do
Is this
it?
a pinch? I don't know.
You're
Pinch
trying
of
to
salt.
sabotage him.
No, my hands are smaller.
Are you salty today?
I'm salty today.
It's kind of hurting my fingers.
It's like a scrub. It's like an exfoliator.
Did you already take
Don't use that for
yours?
your face.
I'm a host, but I'm also a assistant. So I had to go get, I just got the cocoa powder, and I'm gonna go bring him the cocoa powder, and let's go see who is doing good. Yeah.
Oh, haha. I think I got cocoa on my face.
My recipe called for only one type of chocolate chip. I'm
You go
gonna do
two types.
You want a chocolate chip? Oh, okay, here you go.
There you go.
Say thank you.
We're already almost done?
Isn't it?
What the heck?
Dad is moving right along while Ariana is barely on the crust.
Okay,
Step up
but
your game.
what's that? What's like the slow and steady wins the race or something?
My cake is ready to bake.
So this is the time we put it in the microwave and he uses his handy dandy assistant, Alexa.
Let's do it. Alexa, cook for 1 minute. So mine says to cook it for 1 minute and then check it, and as you can see, it's still a little liquidy.
You can see it like forming.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So we're gonna do 30 more seconds. Alexa, cook the microwave for 30 more seconds.
Ariana is still on the base of her graham cracker, of her cheesecake. She's doing the base still. Dad already is getting it cooked. So, time is ticking. Are you okay?
It said it was supposed to be like fluffy on top when you push your finger in, but that was hot. It says cook it till it bounces back, and it's bouncing back and it's not sticking. I think we're good.
All right, guys, so I just finished the crust and I put it in the fridge for it to cool down. And while that's cooling, I'm gonna start on the main base, which is like the cream in it.
We're gonna have 4 judges, so I'm making 4 dishes.
The 4 people that are judging are Max, Jake, Hallie, and I. Yes. Are you? I have to also bring water to rinse my mouth out so I can dilute my mouth so then I can give an even taste.
All right, so I'm spicing mine up a little bit. It has been a major pain trying to keep the kids out of these Oreos until this challenge. Let's do this.
Yeah, you could see they ate them.
Okay. But you know what to say, looks can be deceiving. I'm just kidding, Dad.
Is it still a mug cake? You didn't get the ice cream from a mug and Oreos from a mug?
Yes, it's still a mug cake.
I'm just saying.
Judging already.
That's my job.
I hate the sound of like forks and stuff going together. It's just like, and it does not sound
Well, I'm all done. I don't bake very often, but that was the easiest thing I've ever baked. Fast, and I'm sure it's gonna taste amazing. I can't wait to try it.
No, you can't try it. Only the judge is gonna try it.
Yeah.
Do I gotta make another one so I can try it?
Yep, see if you win.
This looks pretty tasty. Both of them look really good, so I don't know. Okay, so Dad's is completely ready, so we're gonna try it. Okay, let's get. I'm not really sure how to. I'm trying to get everything.
We just get like everything.
Yeah.
Oh man.
That is really good.
That's pretty good.
Oh, so I like the flavor. There is a lot of Oreos, but that's basically it. That's the bad part. There's a lot of Oreos, a lot of chocolate, but yeah.
Okay, so I like it, but the cake is a little dry. Other than that, it's super good. But the cake is.
So I like the flavors of everything, but I agree with Hannah. The cake is a little dry and it's a little dense. Like it's not like light and fluffy.
I agree with both of them. The cake was dry, but it's wonderful. I love it.
So Ariana has microwaved it, and now it's time to put it in the fridge. But it looks questionable to me.
It doesn't look right. It shouldn't look like that, but let's put it in the fridge.
Ariana just realized that she didn't even bake her thing right. She didn't make her thing right. She put it in for 4 minutes when it was only supposed to be 45 seconds. So, but she's remaking it. I don't think you're allowed to do that. So, I'm gonna have to go check with the parent, Mom, because I don't think you're supposed to be doing that. Mom? Ariana's remaking hers. How do you feel about that?
Isn't that cheating?
That's right. What happened?
Ariana's remaking hers because she was only supposed to have it in for 45 seconds, not 4 minutes.
Oh!
So
It's okay though. It's okay.
I'm okay with remakes.
We'll still give her the opportunity.
I really love cheesecake. So I'm hoping hers actually beats me because I want to eat some of that one. Or if it works, I want to make it myself. So.
okay, well, you heard that. Oh, you heard that.
All right, so for the top of the mug cheesecake, I'm gonna do some crushed graham crackers, which are already crushed. And then I'm gonna do a strawberry roast, so each person that gets a slice can have like a little strawberry with it, because I feel like that'd be really good with it. So that's what we're gonna make right now, is the strawberry roast. I'm so scared, guys. What happens if my dad beats me? And that's just gonna be embarrassing. Okay, well, it's Ariana's turn and it's cheesecake. It's cute. Ready?
2, 1.
I really like it's just a little warm, but I think I'm gonna say Dad.
I'm already losing.
That was 1 vote. Okay.
I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to say my vote's for Dad.
Yeah, Dad won.
Wait, it's not 2 more.
Because Max doesn't like cheesecake, so.
I tried it. It tastes different than a normal cheesecake, but I'm sorry, my vote is still for Dad.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Yes!
Wait, we got half Jake's vote.
But like, that's not gonna make it like any different.
Yeah, but you still got a vote.
Dad takes the cake on this one.
Oh, good job. All right, do your victory lap around the table. Woo!
Yeah!
Can I declare a rematch?
I say we rematch, but we switch recipes. So I make yours, you make mine. And then we get the same people, but Alex can try it the next time. And we'll see what happens.
Okay.
Or we try different recipes. Good job, both of you, though.
Thank you. And thank you to our Alexa-powered microwave.
Well, thanks for watching the Crazy Pieces Bake Off, and bye.
We'll see you next episode.
Bye.